Did you know that you were born with a clean slate, free from all the insecurities that you have now? It may be hard to believe, but all of the doubts and fears that you have today are things that you have learned over time. The good news is that you can use the law of assumption and Neville Goddard's teachings to eliminate these insecurities and manifest your desires more quickly. In today's video, we will be discussing how you can overcome your doubts and insecurities using Neville Goddard's teachings and the law of assumption. But before we get into the details, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest uploads. Insecurities are often deeply rooted in our childhood experiences and can continue to affect us well into adulthood. For example, a child who experienced rejection or criticism from their parents may grow up feeling unworthy and insecure about their abilities. On the other hand, a child who was constantly praised and rewarded for their achievements may develop an overly inflated sense of self-worth, which can also lead to insecurity when faced with failure or criticism. However, regardless of the cause, it's important to know that insecurities can be overcome. You don't have to spend years in therapy or read countless self-help books to overcome your insecurities. Simple techniques and habits can be incorporated into your daily routine that can help you build confidence and improve your self-image. Eliminating insecurities is not an easy task, but it's a necessary step to manifesting your dreams and living the life you desire. It requires a deep understanding of the origins of your insecurities, a commitment to changing your beliefs and daily habits, and a willingness to let go of your old self. According to Neville Goddard, the first step to eliminating insecurities is to recognize that they stem from the state of your mind. Your consciousness gives rise to your beliefs, which in turn shape your daily activities and ultimately your fate. Your thoughts, no matter how big or small, are a product of your subconscious mind. They create a pattern from which your world is fashioned, and a change of feeling is a change of pattern. Therefore, it's crucial to be mindful of your thoughts and feelings, as they determine the quality of your life. It's also important to recognize that you cannot experience anything outside of the state of your mind. Whatever you experience in your life is a manifestation of your thoughts and the product of your consciousness. If you have insecurities, it's because your subconscious mind is telling you that you are not good enough, that you don't deserve success, or that you are not worthy of love. These beliefs are deeply ingrained in your mind, and they affect every aspect of your life. To overcome your insecurities, you must change your beliefs and patterns of thought. You can do this by practicing simple techniques, incorporating new habits into your daily routine, or changing your mindset. For instance, you can start by replacing negative self-talk with positive affirmations. You can also surround yourself with people who uplift you, read inspiring books, and watch motivational videos. By doing these things, you will start to shift your focus from your insecurities to your strengths and potential. For these experiences, which can either positively or negatively affect our daily lives, it's important to recognize that you have the power to take control of your mind and reject any negative states of consciousness that may be hindering your growth and manifesting your desires. One effective way to take control of your mind is through visualization. Neville Goddard suggests that you imagine and feel as though you have already achieved your desired outcome. Visualize the details of what it feels like to have achieved your goal, and repeat this visualization until it becomes a reality in your mind. By doing so, you create a new state of consciousness that aligns with your desires and ultimately manifests them into your reality. Another effective technique is affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself daily to reprogram your subconscious mind. These statements can be as simple as "I am confident and capable" or "I am successful and abundant." By affirming these positive beliefs to yourself, you overwrite any negative beliefs and insecurities that may be hindering your growth. It's important to remember that taking control of your mind is not a one-time event, but a continuous practice. Just like how you exercise to keep your body in shape, you must continuously work on your mind to maintain a positive state of consciousness. By doing so, you will not only eliminate your insecurities, but also attract positive experiences and manifest your desires. In conclusion, the process of eliminating insecurities and taking control of your mind is not an overnight journey, but it's definitely worth the effort. As Neville Goddard teaches, your consciousness creates your reality, so it's important to cultivate a positive mindset and eliminate any negative beliefs that may be hindering your progress. Remember that you have the power to manifest the life you desire, and it all starts with taking control of your mind. By consistently practicing positive techniques, incorporating healthy habits into your routine, and changing your beliefs, You can overcome your insecurities and live the life you truly deserve. So start today, take the first step, and watch as your life transforms into the reality you've always envisioned. Happy manifesting.